Hello and welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hannah. Hi, everyone.
Hannah, I love eating dry chicken and dry pasta.
Really, Alex? Dry food? That sounds terrible.
I am joking. Of course I need sauce. Sauce makes everything delicious and juicy. But there are so many sauces in the world. How do chefs remember all of them?
They don't memorize every single one, Alex. In continental food, they only need to know 5 main sauces. They call them the mother sauces.
Mother sauces? Do they have children?
Yes, they do. To explain this cooking secret, our reporter Sarah is in the kitchen with Chef Ale. Let's listen.
Listen carefully for these cooking words: roux, stock, and variation.
Hello, Chef Ale. The kitchen smells amazing. What are you cooking?
Hello, Sarah. Today I am making the 5 mother sauces. In continental food, these 5 sauces are the base for almost every other sauce.
Wow. So if you know these 5, you can make anything? What is the first one?
Yes, first is Béchamel, or white sauce. We cook butter and flour together. This mix is called a roux. Then we add milk. It is creamy and good for lasagna or macaroni. If you add cheese, it becomes a variation called Mornay sauce.
Butter, flour, and milk. Got it. What is number 2?
Second is velouté, or blonde sauce. We use the same butter and flour roux, but we add white stock, like chicken water or fish water. It is perfect for chicken or fish dishes. If you add mushrooms, it becomes a mushroom sauce.
And the third one?
Third is espagnole, or brown sauce. We use a brown roux and brown beef stock. It is a very dark and rich sauce. We use it for beef steaks. A famous variation is peppercorn sauce.
Number 4 sounds easier. Is it red?
Yes, number 4 is tomato sauce. We cook fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. It is perfect for pizza and pasta. If you add ground meat, it becomes a bolognese sauce.
Delicious. And the last mother sauce?
Number 5 is Hollandaise. This one has no flour. We mix egg yolks and melted butter very carefully. It is yellow and rich. It is perfect for vegetables like asparagus or breakfast eggs. If you add special herbs, it becomes a béarnaise sauce.
5 mother sauces to rule the kitchen. Thank you, Chef Ale.
That was a fantastic cooking lesson.
Yes, let's look at the vocabulary. Chef Ale used a French word, roux, R-O-U-X.
A roux is a mix of butter and flour cooked together in a pan. Chefs use it to make soups and sauces thick, not watery.
Then he mentioned stock, S-T-O-C-K.
Stock is the water you get when you boil bones, meat, and vegetables for a long time. Chicken stock is light, and beef stock is brown.
Finally, he talked about a variation, V-A-R-I-A-T-I-O-N.
A variation is a different version of something. In the kitchen, you start with a mother sauce, you add 1 or 2 new things, and you create a new variation, like adding cheese to bechamel.
I am so hungry now. Okay, listeners, it is time for our kitchen quiz.
Let's see if you remember the ingredients for the mother sauces. Chef Ale talked about the first sauce, béchamel, or white sauce.
Here is the question. What is the main liquid we use to make bechamel sauce? A, chicken stock, B, milk, C, melted butter.
Do you remember? Is it A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comment section below.
Yes, comment below. We want to see who the real chefs are.
Now let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, roux, a mix of butter and flour to make sauces thick.
And stock, flavorful water from boiling meat or bones.
And variation, a slightly different version of a basic sauce.
And base, the starting part of a recipe.
That's all for today.
See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. Bye.
So long.